The physics of the soul. Have you ever pondered the profound question, what is the soul? As we navigate through life, we often find ourselves seeking answers to life's deepest mysteries. Is there a realm beyond our physical existence? Does the soul hold the key to understanding our existence? Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of the soul through the lens of science. Now let's dive into the second chapter of our journey, where we explore the fascinating realm of quantum mechanics and the soul's role in consciousness. This means that your reality is not a random occurrence, but rather a selection made through your consciousness. Get ready to have your beliefs challenged as we explore the possibility of the soul as survival beyond the physical body. According to Goswami, the soul is non-local, meaning it is not confined to the physical world. When the body dies, the soul continues its journey, carrying with it the quantum memory pattern of its experiences. The soul is not a byproduct of the brain. It is the very creator of your experiences. In the fifth chapter, we ponder a fundamental question. Why are we here? We explore the soul's purpose in our existence and the inherent drive towards evolution and expansion. Goswami suggests that our souls enter this earthly realm with a mission to grow, evolve, and embody love in its various forms. The soul is the source of all that is, and understanding its nature brings us closer to the fundamental essence of existence. As we conclude our journey through the profound teachings of Amit Goswami's The Physics of the Soul, it's time to embrace the transformative power of acknowledging and connecting with your inner self. The insights shared in this book challenge conventional perspectives and invite us to see beyond the limitations of the physical world. The soul is the observer that links the quantum world to our everyday lives. It is the unified field, the source of all that is. Embrace the knowledge that you are not limited to your physical form. You are a conscious being, an eternal soul, having a human experience. Your thoughts, intentions, and awareness shape your reality. This idea aligns with ancient spiritual teachings, suggesting that the soul may indeed transmigrate into various realms of existence. Are you ready to embrace the profound teachings from the physics of the soul and embark on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening? Check the description below for additional resources, including recommended books and spiritual tools to aid you on your awakening journey. Together, let's continue to seek understanding and enlightenment in this vast universe. It is time to listen to the whispers of your soul and live a life that reflects your true essence. Intuition, dreams, and synchronicity serve as gentle reminders from our higher selves, guiding us back to our true purpose. Aligning with the soul's purpose brings a sense of fulfillment and joy, allowing us to live a life that is both meaningful and transformative. Embracing the concept of reincarnation, we begin to see life in a new light. Recognizing the cyclical nature of existence and the soul's continuous evolution and spirituality are not mutually exclusive, but can in fact complement and enhance each other. Goswami beautifully illustrates how the soul, as the observer, is the link between the quantum world and our everyday experiences. By releasing unhealed traumas, transforming negative beliefs, and finding ways to let go of emotional pain, we can restore balance to our soul. Forgiveness, mindfulness, and practices like meditation and intention setting become powerful tools in this healing journey. Aligning our consciousness with the field of the soul is crucial in preventing and overcoming illness. Your consciousness is the creator of your reality, selecting from the infinite possibilities that exist. Remember that illness begins in consciousness, and true healing requires addressing both the body and soul. We also discover that life after death is a real phenomenon, and reincarnation is a plausible concept. Your soul continues to exist beyond the physical realm, carrying your experiences and evolving through various forms. Your soul possesses the remarkable ability to collapse the wave function of possibilities into actual experiences. Goswami sheds light on the fact that disease does not originate in the body, but rather in consciousness. Our traumas, toxic beliefs, and emotional wounds distort the field of the soul. These energetic imbalances can then collapse into physical form, manifesting as illness. It is the observer that brings clarity to the inherent uncertainty of quantum reality. Through the act of observation, the soul transforms potential into actuality, shaping the world as we know it. Quantum physics reveals that particles exist in a state of probability until they are observed. But the question arises, who is doing the observing? According to Goswami, it is the soul that acts as the observer. Join us as we delve into the fascinating insights shared by renowned quantum physicist Amit Goswami, who dared to bridge the gap between spirituality and science in his groundbreaking work, The Physics of the Soul. In this enlightening exploration, we will examine how consciousness shapes our reality, the soul's role in quantum collapse, and the possibility of reincarnation. Prepare to have your perspective shifted as we uncover the profound truths that lie within. According to the long-held belief among scientists, matter is the fundamental substance of the universe, and everything in existence is merely a physical phenomenon. This field, according to Goswami, is the very essence of consciousness. The universe does not consist of things, but rather of an infinite array of possibilities. And it is our consciousness that selects which possibilities become manifest in our reality. However, Amit Goswami revolutionizes this perspective by introducing a paradigm shift. He proposes that consciousness is not merely a product of the brain, but is in fact the ground of all being. Chapter 1. The Quantum Revolution of Consciousness. Welcome to the first chapter of our journey, where we challenge conventional scientific wisdom. Imagine a vast field of potentiality, an ocean of possibilities that extend beyond our physical perception. Chapter 2. Quantum Collapse and the Role of the Soul. Your soul is the one that collapses the wave of infinite possibilities into actual experiences. Chapter 3. Life after death and reincarnation. In the third chapter, we venture into the profound realm of life after death and reincarnation. Reincarnation becomes a scientifically plausible concept when we understand that the soul, as the observer, carries this pattern. With it, it can reappear in new forms. Chapter 4. Illness, Healing, and the Soul. In the fourth chapter, we delve into the intriguing relationship between illness, healing, and the soul. True healing, therefore, goes beyond conventional medicine and addresses the spiritual aspect of our being. Chapter 5. The Soul's Purpose. Each individual has a unique journey with specific lessons and experiences to navigate. Chapter 6. Science and Spirituality Can Be One. In the final chapter of our journey, we celebrate the revolutionary idea that science proposes that the unified field that eluded Albert Einstein is not an abstract concept, but resides within us in the form of the soul. Conclusion. The transformative power of embracing your soul. We learn that you are not merely a body with a soul, but rather a soul using a body as a temporary vessel. Finally, we learn that science and spirituality are not separate, but interconnected aspects of existence. So ask yourself, am I living in alignment with my soul's purpose? If you found value in our exploration of the physics of the soul, we invite you to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.